Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a tutorial on how to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, and it is the first Rubik's Cube video. And the reason I said first is because, well, we got a whole load more. So if you wanna watch the tutorials of those cubes also, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on those videos. So first we'll get to solving this. This is the beginner method. I'll scramble this up. This is the easiest method, and I've learned the cube within the first day of I got it, so you can trust me on this. Yeah, so I've shuffled. So the first layer is solving the white, but to solve it, the first step is finding the yellow centerpiece. So we are gonna form a daisy over here. Yellow, white, 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 white. And before going into them, I'm going to show you a few algorithms which are going to be very useful in the whole cube solving. First is called the right hand algorithm. Up, that side, this side, down. So practice this a few times before you get to solving. They are going to be very useful in speed solving. The same goes for left. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to get it solving. So first find the yellow centerpiece. Form the daisy. This is just an intuitive method, no specific algorithm for this. Just get to solving, try it on your own. Method. Yeah. So there is the yellow daisy. You need not care about the corner pieces, whether they are solved or unsolved. All we care about is the yellow daisy. Next step is finding the color matching to the specific edge piece. So here it is. When you find the matching centerpiece to the edge, turn the side 180 degrees. Same goes for here, it's already matched. Turn the side 180 degrees. This is matched to. Turn the side 180 degrees. If it's unmatched, just match it to the corners and turn it 180 degrees. So there it is. I got the white cross and also the white edges are matched to the centers. So the next step in the first layer is getting the corner pieces. So you need to know which piece goes into where. The simple method is just this piece is in middle of white, green and red. So here this corner piece has to have all the three colors in between around it. So we're gonna find the centerpiece with white, red and green, which is right here. So bring it up all the way, and when it's above the center, you want the corner you want to replace it with, do the right hand algorithm. So it isn't correctly oriented, just repeat the algorithm a few more times and it's solved. Repeat the same method for the remaining corners. This is the white, orange and green, so it should go over here. Use the right hand algorithm, not matched, use it a few more times, it's matched. So these two are the ones left over, it's already matched. This is going here. That's matched. So we got the first layer complete, which is the white side and all the adjacent colors. So now we are moving on to the next part, which is matching up the edges with the current centerpieces. check on for any edge pieces on the top layer which don't have yellow in them, because yellow should be on the top layer and not in the middle layer. So here this piece has got no yellow on it, so this should belong to the middle layer. This is going here, so all you gotta do is match it with their corresponding color, turn it aside from where they're gonna go, away, and then use the right hand algorithm to take out this corner, use the left hand algorithm to keep it back, and the edge is placed. It is already placed for us. This edge is misplaced, so this should go here. Take it away, right hand algorithm, left hand algorithm, and there it's solved. So sometimes you may get a case where this edge is flipped. So in that case, all you gotta do is take the edge out and replace it in from the other side, the same way I did. So the next step is the yellow. So you may get 4 cases. The first case in which only the center of the yellow is solved and none of the edge pieces are solved. In that case, you need to repeat this algorithm a few more times. The second case is where only this and this 2 edges are solved adjacent, in which case you need to keep the downward facing arrow this side the corner to your top left. And the other case is when it's a vertical line, in which case you need to only repeat the algorithm one time, keeping it vertical. So first we got this case, keeping there, yeah, right hand algorithm. So we got the vertical line, so side, turn it, and use the right hand algorithm, place it back. So we got the yellow cross. You may need to repeat the algorithm a few more times, the same one, to get to here. The next step is assigning the specific yellow edges to their colors. Here we got 1 assigned, 2 assigned. So here also you may get 3 cases. The one is where none of the edges are solved correctly, in which case you can do this from anywhere. And the second one is where you can have 2 of the solved ones adjacent to each other, in which case one you should keep away from you and one to the right, and in the other case where the solved sides are opposite of each other, where you can do this algorithm from anywhere but 2 times. So adjacent ones, one away from you, one to the right. And there the edges are all oriented correctly. Next step is adjusting the corners, which are the only ones unsolved in the cube. So first check for any solved corners. Not solved. This may look not solved, but it's actually solved. It's not oriented correctly. So see, this is solved, but we can't twist in cubes like that. So if you get one side solved, one corner solved, keep it towards the bottom right and do this algorithm. Then you'll get all the corners oriented correctly. You may need to repeat this algorithm a few more times to get the correct orientations. And so I got it already, so I need not repeat. So when you have all the corners in the correct places, you gotta keep the white side on top and do the right hand algorithm till this corner comes to its orientation. See, this is oriented. So you gotta turn only the bottom layer and repeat the algorithm. Solved. Turn it. You need to turn only to the corners which are unsolved. You may get some corners solved already. You may skip those and repeat this algorithm. Just solved. Done right. And your cube is solved. Thank you for watching till then, guys. Hope it helped you. And if it helped you, please don't forget to leave a like. And if you didn't understand any of the steps given in the video, feel free to comment down. And please feel free to leave suggestions in the comments down below. Thank you.